So we're gonna make 2 desserts versus brownies, and then while we're doing the brownies, we're letting the butter for the cookies melt. Yeah, and then I'm making chocolate chip, normal chocolate chip, and then she's gonna make white chocolate chip.
Not with a chocolate chip cookie. Well, chocolate chip.
She makes normal cookie dough, but white chocolate chip.
Thank you. I'm not here today.
She's not. We already got most of it planned out. We already got most of it planned out because the oil is already, one of the tubs was out and we didn't know, so.
It was a big tub.
We don't want to struggle in this video. But anyways, it's not. We got this from Walmart. We went to Walmart yesterday and I was like, one of my friends said that I should make a baking video. I'm like, hey, I got you. So I'm gonna make brownies because they're easy. I was gonna do muffins, but those only take like 10 minutes to make, so that's just gonna be a boring video. So yeah. But maybe this summer, I might have 3 friends come, well, 2 come over, and we might do a blind, deaf, and mute challenge. But we will have adult supervision, I swear, because I don't want us to burn the house down. Oh yeah. Anyways,
She just told me about that.
yeah.
That was crazy.
Aaliyah, you are subscribed. I didn't know that because you told me that. So, please do not burn my house down. That'd be great. Let's get started because we're talking too much. It's been 2 minutes. So, we got
Mixing bowl.
a Barbie bowl.
A Barbie bowl.
Yes, a Barbie bowl. We got 1 tablespoon. And yeah, I will just show you later. Anyways, this needs to be out of the way because we need it right now. We need both.
We need preheat the oven.
We need to preheat the oven for 325. One of our oven's a little slow, so what are we gonna put out? Like we put it between 350 and yeah. Anyways, yeah.
Just a little. No, go ahead. You can. I was getting the box empty so you can put the eggshells in there. Try to make it easy so you don't have to walk all the way to the garbage can.
We got 2 eggs.
Equals.
It says not to eat the raw batter, but
Who doesn't?
at least like a little slither, a little.
You gotta do a little taste test.
right?
Make sure it tastes good. I mean, if it don't taste good, then something's not right.
Should I put some chocolate chips in here? Oh, then actually it's gonna be too diabetic. So let's not do that. Move. Anyways, and we need 3 tablespoons of Utah.
Extra, yeah.
And now we need veggie oil, guys. Yummy.
Pink and pink.
What the baby girl looks like. They preheated, but we're gonna cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. Is that what it says? Wait. Oh, never mind. Wait, where does it say it?
It's down here.
My blind self.
Where she got the 3 to 5 minutes, it says bake on the rack in the center of the oven. Follow this chart below. Add 3 to 5 minutes for glass pan. 3 to 5 minutes for this big puppy? I don't think so. Alright, so what do you think it would be?
Girl, I can't read.
9 by 9.
Oh, right there.
See? Pan size up above. Baking
I don't
time.
know the pant size of this. I'm gonna take my finger off. She's freaking crazy.
So what's your guys' favorite cookie dough? Not just cookie dough, but cookies, period. Mine's between the white chocolate chip and the snickerdoodle. Will you stop doing that?
That hurt.
I asked them what their favorite cookies are, so that's why.
Oh yeah, we're making the cookies that I made for Thanksgiving in school.
The no bake ones or whatever?
No, not the no bake ones. The oatmeal one.
Yeah.
Okay, what do we need to make cookies?
So, look,
Oh,
more
it's
brownie
on here?
mix.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, look, more brownie mix.
Yummy.
If you go on the back of the original chocolate chip, and I follow the ingredients on here with every cookie dough. Unless it's sugar cookie. Sugar cookie is different.
Now we are making so we're gonna be making cookies, but we're gonna mix it
And a KitchenAid.
If you don't know how to make cookies or scratch, I have the ingredients right here, guys. Right here. So yeah, we're just gonna follow off this because this is, yeah. So first is 2
cups and a
2 cups, 1/4.
Not with this one.
We're gonna put it in this bowl.
The flour.
And 1 teaspoon of
I'm not done yet.
baking soda. This is also both of our doughs. Our cookies.
We're gonna split it in half and make it easy.
Those muffins.
Okay.
That's as good as we're gonna get. One teaspoon salt. Let's do another one. Another one. Sorry.
2.
You know. Dose.
Do one of these of sugar.
All difficulties.
Already broke it.
And then it comes out.
Come on, big mama.
Like, I shake too much to do that. It goes in there.
Yep.
So.
Flour mix that we did with the flour, salt, and baking soda.
Yeah. I think.
So not more will fall out. And if you want to add more, then you can add more.
Oh, I get more.
After you stir.
How much I felt like I didn't add halfway. I need more.
You want more?
Yes.
Thanks. Okay. Well, that's all of them. There was not much left.
Yummy.
Good girl. Sorry.
Yeah, they do, but oh, the edges are burnt actually. We got these little racks to put cookies. Here's what the babies look like right now.
See how they're starting to brown around the outside, even though the inside isn't? That means I squished it down too far.
I don't know. Don't touch my pimple.
Holly's
Holly's block.
I'm gonna dance with you.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm in the mix of this and I look pretty crusty right now. But while I'm editing this, I forgot to tell you guys, but we're gonna do a Dollar Tree haul now, so yeah. Microwave cleaner. That's what she got. So if you go to Dollar Tree, in the makeup aisle, yeah. In the makeup aisle, they have a bubble dupe. I got the moisturizer. They also have the facial wash and the spray. But I just got the moisturizer and I'm gonna try it because I wanna see how good it is. It's from Global Beauty Care. And then I got Peeps because I've not had Peeps in like 2 years or something like that. And then I need more eyelash curlers. And I'm telling you guys, if you need a perfect, amazing eyelash curler, go to Dollar Tree. I'm telling you guys, their eyelash curlers are the bomb. Okay, guys, so we were gonna try the cookies, but I'm literally getting full, so off cookie dough and brownie batter. Bye, guys.
Hi.